I'm Scott Keplinger, co-founder and CEO of IntelliSee. More importantly, I'm a father, husband, son, uncle, and I care about other people. And as a spin out of the University of Iowa and with state backing, the other co-founders we formed to help improve the safety of every organization through our IntelliSee product. So what I'm going to do now is actually turn on our system, which I have running in the background here, and I'll go out in front of the camera and demonstrate what our capabilities are. What you're seeing now is a typical, in this case, school classroom. I'm standing actually out of the camera's view, and what I'm going to do is walk in front of the camera, and you'll immediately see our system is detecting that there's a person present. The system can set various time dimensions and other parameters, because at certain times of the day, in certain situations, you may not care that there's a person there, so don't get alerted. In other times, as an example, if it's late at night, and you don't expect somebody to be there, you want to be alerted. But what I'm going to do is walk across the screen over to that door, and then I'm going to turn around with a weapon, and you'll see what happens as far as the speed at which IntelliSee can detect the presence of a weapon. Then I'm going to lay down on the ground, and then I'm going to pour some liquids on the ground. So as I walk across the view here, you'll start to see the IntelliSee system detecting the presence of a person. Now, the horrible situation of an active shooter, they would tend to come in through the door and then start to find their victims. And that's why it's so important to understand if there's a weapon present. Or in the more common situation, if somebody falls, when they fall, they're in a unique position. And in many cases, they get right back up, but they may have been hurt or they may have had a medical condition. And so that alert allows people to have the situational awareness to understand that something's going on. Our system is also designed to integrate with other systems so that you can bookmark the footage, send out alerts through mass notification systems, pop-up screens on video management systems, and other things. The last thing I'll do here is actually pour some water to show how the system can detect spills and leaks and other things that are the predecessor to an issue like a slip and fall or water damage or other things. So that's IntelliSee. Thank you, and please join us in our mission to make the world a better, safer place.